This simple YouTube channel is making workout videos by using an AI voiceover and some footages. And according to Social Blade, this channel is making around $300 to $5,000 every single month. Here's another channel doing the same thing. They are using human voices along with stock footages of different workouts. And according to Social Blade, this channel is making around $8,000 every single month. And the crazy thing about these channels is that they don't even have to show their face in the video. And in this video, I will show exactly how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel in this niche. We are going to use a tool called Fleeky AI to create videos like these. Fleeky is one of the best AI video generator in the internet. And I will show you step by step how you can use this software to create videos. So, let's not waste any time and get started. First of all, you need to sign up for a Fleeky account. You can use the first link which is given in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest deals and offers of Fleeky AI. So make sure to use that link. Once you are logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. To create a video, click on this new file option. Next, you need to give your file a name. I will name it as Demo Workout Video. Next, select the video language and country. And then select the video ratio. Since we are making a YouTube video, we will select the 16:9 ratio. Next, you want to select the starting point of the video. Let's say you already have a written script for your video. In that case, select the script option. And if you do not have anything for the video, then select the idea option. And then confirm. The next step is to give this AI tool a prompt for your video. In simple terms, we only need to mention the video topic here. And then Fleeky will use its AI capabilities to come up with a video for us. You can also add any specific instructions if you want to. For the example video, I want to create a video on top 5 anti-aging exercise. So, I will simply ask it to create a video on top 5 anti-aging exercise. I will also ask it to use texts and high-quality stock footages throughout the video. I will also ask it to use a male voice in the audio. Next, we need to set the duration for the video. Since this is just an example video, I will set the duration to 1 minute. Next up, we have the stock media option, where you will get some pre-made templates as well. You can choose one of these templates if you want to. And then confirm. And within a few seconds, Fleeky AI will create video for you.
12 seconds later.
This is the Fleeky editor. On the left side, you can see all the scenes that it had created. Then on the middle, you can see the video preview. Next, on the right side, you'll see other editing options. Now, let's say you want to choose a voiceover for your video. To do that, you need to click on the name below the voiceover option, and then you'll see all the voiceover that Fleeky AI provides. You can preview these voices by simply clicking on them. And once you find the right one, you can select it for your videos. Here are few sample audios.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content.
Fleeky helps you create.
Fleeky helps you.
Fleeky helps you create audio.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
This audio sounds good, so I will select this one for my video. Alright, now it's time for us to preview this video. So, click on this play button to preview the entire video.
The secret to a youthful glow with our top 5 anti-aging exercises. First, facial yoga tightens your skin, reducing wrinkles. It's simple and effective. Second, swimming works wonders, offering a full-body workout that rejuvenates your skin. It's metabolism and skin elasticity, fighting off sagging skin. Finally, walking boosts circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin for a natural glow. Incorporate these exercises into your routine for timeless beauty. Start today.
So, this was the video that was created by Fleeky AI. Next I will show you how you can edit this video. First, let's say that you want to change the video footage. To do that, click on the scene you want to change. Then click on the footage. Now Fleeky will show you more relevant scenes that you can add into your video. I will use this one for my video. And within a few seconds, the scene will be replaced. Next, on the right-hand side, you can see some editing options. You can add your own text, images, and audio using these options. You can also add shapes into your video. Feel free to play around with these options and get used to this editor. And once the editing is complete, you can click on this download button to save your video. And that's how you can create a video using Fleeky AI. Now, I will show you how you can convert a script into a YouTube video. To do that, click on the New File option. But this time, we need to choose the script option for our video. Next, we need to paste our video script here. I have already created a sample script, which I am going to use for this video. And this time, I will continue without choosing a template. And just like the last time, Fleeky will create a video based on my script in just few seconds. Then just like we did last time, we can edit the script, change voiceovers, and change the footages as per our requirements. And then we can preview the entire video. And once everything is set, we can download the video and upload it on our YouTube channel. And that's how you can start your own fitness YouTube channel using AI. But wait, there is another important thing that we need. I am talking about the thumbnail of the video. If you look at these thumbnails, you can see that they are made with high-quality graphics. These thumbnails plays the major role in these channels' success. And if you want to succeed like these channels, you'll need to learn how to create a high-quality thumbnail. I've already created a video on this topic, which you can watch by clicking on the video that's showing on your screen. Thank you for watching this video.